Right. Put the pieces together, some old stuff, some new stuff. Got the waterfall flow. Alright, and today we drained the rest of that holding pond out. Just a few hundred gallons in case we needed it, you know, up here by the house. Things are still looking pretty muddy. Where the heck are those fish? Stresses of Daniel are learning how to operate this thing in the dark. Wow. Right, here we go. We'll walk through the bush, boo boo. Stick it in the head. Put over the stump. Like aerobics. Doo doo doo. It's coming out all lumpy. Must be dirt in the line. Not flowing very good. I think it's gonna freeze soon. Yeah. Some more water. The mud hole. Wow. How'd that light's bright? Let's go for a walk. I used a thermal gun on that water today. -5. With the sun shining on it. -5. Right here. -3. No ice. No nothing. Thermal gun shooting through that water into the ground. -3. Yeah, wrap it up for winter. Crazy. Go for a hike. Look at the big rock. Ah, okay. We made it back up to the RV. Well, the stresses of Daniel today, I've just been busy. Helping mom, working, getting the work done. After work, I'm just beat. And then I do all this. And then do this. Woohoo! Oh well, stresses of Daniel. We'll carry on. Make another video. And I'm trying to think of something to talk about. So today... Oh yeah. I got this. Oh, it's in French. I won't be able to use it. It's French. Oh, look. You just go to the other side of the country. And it's English. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, worried about the pipes in this RV. Checked the meter, says it's got quarter water, but I checked the tank, can't find no water. Ran the pump, no water comes out of the taps. So tomorrow I think I'll put a hose down there and see if I can make some bubbles in the water, or see if there's any real water down the bottom of that water tank, because otherwise I gotta put in some of this RV stuff, and there's a half a jug in there, but what do you do? Just throw it into where there's no water and then run it? I don't know, I'll have to read that too. So that's my rant. It's about 4:25. Remember to